Hello everyone. So by now you all have seen, I'm sure, little E20 stickers at petrol pumps, haven't you? Well, all this while we've been using regular petrol at petrol pumps, and the next thing we see is this little E20 label everywhere at petrol pumps. E20 is like your favorite snack changing its recipe. The packaging looks the same, but the core ingredients have changed. That change in recipe is happening in our cars as well. So what is this fuss and hoopla about E20? Well, E20 is basically a mix. It's a mix of 80% regular petrol and 20% of ethanol made from sugarcane and wheat. While some are very hopeful that E20 is going to protect the country's environment and reduce the carbon emission, while the others are quite worried about whether E20 is going to eat their car engine and kill their mileage. So let's cut through the noise and shut down the internet rumors and find out what exactly is E20 and how is it going to benefit or not benefit your car engine. Well, regular petrol is like your heavy meal that gives you tons of energy. But as far as ethanol is concerned, it gives you less energy for a cup. It's like you're ordering your favorite cold drink at the movies. When the ice melts, the cold drink gets diluted. It obviously quenches your thirst, but you need to drink a little more to actually get the flavor punch. Well, that's exactly why ethanol has less energy density, and that's why your car engine needs to burn the fuel a little more to travel the exact same distance. But let's bust the internet myth here. Will E20 destroy your car engine? Well, the simple answer is no. But here's what you should remember. Think of ethanol as vinegar. If you store vinegar in a rich glass bottle, the vinegar usually stays fine. But if you store the vinegar in a rubber tube, the vinegar automatically erodes the rubber. This is where your car fits in. If your car is manufactured post April 2023, your car engine is built with ethanol-proof metal alloys, fuel lines, and rubber seals. So you have zero reasons to worry about E20. But on the other hand, if your car is manufactured before 2023, your car engine is not built for high alcohol blends in petrol. Although that does not mean that your car engine will explode because it has E20. But what will happen is ethanol attracts moisture and it's a mild solvent. Therefore, if you leave your car and let it sit for weeks inside the garage with E20, chances are that that moisture will eventually and slowly cause minor rust inside the rubber pipes and can lead to ruining or damaging your car engine over a considerable period of time. So instead of trying to run away or escape from E20, it's important that you learn the smart moves to live with E20 without damaging your car engine or wallet. The number one thing that you can do is don't let E20 petrol sit around in your car engine for long. For example, sugar, if left open during the monsoon, usually clumps up because it attracts moisture. Ethanol in E20 does the exact same thing inside the tank. For example, it attracts atmospheric water, which leads to engine misfires and hard starts. So whenever you're going for a long trip, ensure that your tank is low and then you can refill it with fresh petrol when you return. Number 2 is swap the fuel filter sooner. For example, when your tap water gets muddy, the water purifier filter kind of clogs because it attracts and filters out the extra mud. So you need to replace the water filter sooner. The same way, ethanol is a solvent and it washes sludge off your tank walls and dumps it straight into fuel lines. So always ask your mechanic to check and replace the fuel filter so that you can avoid choked fuel lines. Number 3, drive smoothly. Sprinting and stopping multiple times often drains your energy much faster than doing a steady jog. Similarly, if you put your foot on accelerator multiple times, it might burn your E20 a lot faster than a steady, smooth drive. So always remember to put your foot on accelerator smoothly and ensure your car tires are properly inflated so that you can avoid the mileage drop. Number 4. Protect cars when it sits unused. Just as homemade pickles can be stopped from decaying by using salt or oil, E20 when sits unused, ethanol usually sinks to the bottom of the petrol, creating a watery layer at the top, which usually spoils the metal tanks. So always remember to add a little bit of fuel stabilizer inside the tank before parking the car to make sure the fuel does not break. Number 5. Inspect old rubber pipes. Old cars use basic rubber fuel lines that usually dry out and crack when exposed to ethanol over extended periods of time. So it's best that you always check and replace an aging hose early on so that dangerous fuel does not leak ever. All in all, stick to these basic habits and your car engine will serve you just fine with E20. If this video cleared the air about E20, hit that subscribe button and like and share this video with people who need to be a little more confident about E20 petrol in today's times. Also like and share this video with people who need to have certain myths broken in their heads about E20. And I want you to let me know in the comments what is that one single car myth that you keep on hearing and want me to bust next in this video. Until then, drive safe, drive smart, and I'll see you in the next one.